Hi everyone. I'm in Vietnam right now and at my mom's house. She had 4 dogs and they are so beautiful. I just want to review and show them how cute they are. Let's take a look. Look, this is doggy that my mom raised 4 of them. Yeah. Hi, so cute. My daughter is feeding them with some chips they love. Hi. Come here, Valerie. Come here. Feed them over here. Over here. Over here. Aww, it's so cute. I love doggy. They are so smart and intelligent and beautiful. I really love doggies so much. Look at them. Aww. So beautiful. They are so cute. How do you guys think about them? If you guys like it, please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you all. My daughter really enjoyed to play with doggy.